Check this out, watch. You're gonna see this woodpecker up close. Damn, where is he? Can you see him? There he is. And he moved already. Boy, that took a second, didn't it? They do not like being recorded, I'll tell you that right now. Even if you're being discreet. We got him enough for a short. Just trying to show the world the wildlife out here while I enjoy it. Might as well, right? If not, like for the kitties and the doggy. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. We got to get this up. I'm your host, LAB. You know me. Now you do. Can't say you weren't introduced. Listening to Shade 45. I'm a country rap. Oh, this is that Dr. Dre Chronic 2001. Boom, 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 boom. No, this is on Marshall Mathers, I think. All right, let's see you roll. Go ahead. I hear him. Where's he at? Did he come back? Go ahead and roll. Stop. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Roll. 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 Good girl. All the way, Marsh. Roll. Oh. Yeah. You just play dead like Battle Cat, don't you, silly? You're good, dog. Good job. You did good. Sit. High five. Good dog. All right. You're a good dog. Best dog I ever had. Here, go sit by Battle Cat for a picture. Right over here. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Back here. Right here. Here, put the boomerang in your mouth, or slingshot in your mouth. Sit. No. Well, that didn't work. God, goofball. Ooh, you hear that? I know.